Hi everyone, this is movie number 1 for the chapter 10 training. So I have the start file for chapter 10 for the training, and I need to get this. So let's do that. And oh, I got lots of stuff going on here. Hold on. Don't need that. I don't need that. So let's just do those two windows. Okay, so I have our instruction file and I have our start file. So this is the Red Bluff Golf Course, and this chapter is all about reports. And I think what you're going to find is a lot of the information that you learned and practiced in chapter 9 about forms translates well to doing reports, because they're very, very similar. So the first step I already have done, so I'm going to mark that off, my little thing. It says open table member. So I'm going to open table member, locate the first member in the table with member ID 1. Okay, it says Charles Barker. Change the phone number to 505-555 and then 6793. So all I did was made that one update to the phone number. I'm going to go ahead and close that, and I'm going to mark that number 2 is done. That's pretty simple. All right, use the report wizard to create a report to list all employees, include last name, first name, from employee, and then schedule date from lesson, and then last name and first name from member, and fee from table member lessons. All right, so we have to kind of go through and pick each table and pick the elements as we go. So we're going to do create, and then we're going to find reports. We're going to do a report wizard. So the first thing that I'm going to do is all of these are from table employee. So I'm going to make sure that this says table employee, and then I'm going to start pulling them over. Employee last name, employee first name, and that's it from there. Okay, so then we're going to get schedule date from table member lesson. So I'm going to come up here, table member lesson, and find schedule date. Move it over. Okay. Fee from table let's see, let me make sure. Schedule date from table. Okay, last name and first name from member. So I'm going to switch this to member. And then we're going to do last name, first name, and then from table member lessons, we're going to get fees. So table member lesson, fee. So we're in there in that order, except the viewing by table employee. Okay, we did. Sort ascending. So we don't want to group it, but we're going to do sorting. Let's see, where did I lost myself. Sort ascending by scheduled date. Ascending. Last name. And then first name. All ascending. Add the summary option of sum to the fee. Okay. Accept all the default layouts and orientation. Chew, excuse me. Chew, sorry. RPT employee lessons _ a student. Finish. It's going to chug through. It's going to put it in print preview. We're going to close print preview, and it's going to put us in design view. So we want to go to layout view. Change the width of fee, subtotal, and grand total fields to 0.07. So fee select those, and we're going to go to properties, and I'm going to change the width to 0.7, and they all pop up. Okay. So we're done with this one. Switch to design view. I'm going to do a quick save, and then I'm going to go home, switch design. Delete the control that begins with summary. So right there, I'm going to click on it. I'm just going to hit my delete key on my keyboard. So that's gone. Change the left property of the sum label to 5" and change, oh, I didn't do these. We should have changed this size too. So this would have been property with 0.7, just so they're all the same. I did not, on this step here, I neglected to select the summation, the summary ones, which, you know, I was supposed to, and I forgot. Okay, so change the left property of the sum label. Okay, that's the sum label to 5". So let's go back to property sheet. So left, it's going to be 5. I'm going to push it over and change the text of the label. So instead of sum, we're going to say sub total fees. And then change the text of the align the subtotal fee label and the sum control to the top. Okay, so first of all I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to select both of those. I'm going to put them up here. Change the left property of grand total. So left here is going to be 5". Oops. Okay. 5". It's going to move it over and change the text to total fees. Okay. So we're done with this. Switch to layout view. Okay, so now we can see that it's not hide duplicate values for last name and first name. So here, how do we hide that? So if you want to take a look in your book, so how to hide duplicates is on 546 of your textbook, but what we're going to do is we're going to select this first last name. We're going to go into properties, and then in the format I'm going to find hide duplicates and change that to a yes. Okay. Do the same thing for first name. Hide duplicates, yes. And now we just see the name when it's unique, like the first one of the scheduled. And since we have it sorted by last name, first name, we're going to be good. So let's do this. We have that done. Save and close the report. Did I miss a step about sizing these? Because this is not, I don't think it's supposed to be landscape. Okay, I think I'm just going to let it go because I think we're going to change it later. I thought maybe I missed something, but I didn't. I'm going to stop this movie right now. So we were done with step 6, and then we're going to continue on. All right, so I'm going to save this, close out of this report, and start the next movie on step 7. All right, guys, thank you.